Today, we're making a simple and delicious vanilla sponge cake that's perfect for 6 people. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius if you're using a fan oven. Grease and line 120 to 23 centimeters round baking tin with baking paper. Ingredients: eggs, 3 large caster sugar or granulated sugar, 150 grams, 3/4 cup. All-purpose flour, plain flour, 150 grams, 1 1/4 cups. Baking powder, 1½ teaspoons. Unsalted butter, 75 grams. Melted or vegetable oil. Milk, 50 milliliters, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Pinch of salt. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. Grease and line a 20 to 23 centimeter round baking tin with baking paper. In a large mixing bowl, add the eggs and caster sugar. Whisk them together for 4 to 5 minutes until the mixture becomes pale, thick, and fluffy. This step is key to creating a light sponge, so don't rush it. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sift the dry ingredients directly into the whipped egg mixture. Using a spatula, gently fold everything together with slow, sweeping motions until no dry flour remains visible. In a small bowl, mix the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract. Slowly pour this mixture into the batter and gently fold until smooth and fully combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can reduce the cake's light texture. Pour the finished batter into your prepared baking tin. Spread it evenly with a spatula and gently tap the tin on the countertop once or twice to release any large air bubbles. Pour the finished batter into your prepared baking tin. Spread it evenly with a spatula and gently tap the tin on the countertop once or twice to release any large air bubbles. Place the tin in the center of the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. As it bakes, the cake will rise and develop a beautiful golden color. You'll know it's ready when the top springs back when lightly touched, or when a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Carefully remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the tin for 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool completely before decorating or serving. Once cooled, dust the cake with icing sugar for a simple and elegant finish. You can also add whipped cream and fresh berries for an extra special touch. Slice, serve, and enjoy your homemade vanilla sponge cake. Soft, fluffy, and packed with classic vanilla flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite cake flavor. Share this video with a friend who loves baking, and stay tuned for more easy homemade recipes every week.